Welcome to Steff's Academy Tuition Center. This mathematics paper 1. So, question number 1, evaluate. So, x to the power 0 plus open bracket 3 over 4 close bracket to the power 0 times 2 to the power 3. So, they want us to find the value of this expression here. So we need to know that any number or any letter or anything to the power 0, the answer is 1. So x to the power 0, the answer is 1 here. Then plus. Then again here, as you can see, we have everything here, 3 over 4 in the brackets to the power 0. So we just need to know that the answer is also 1. So we put a 1 here again. Then times now here. So 2 to the power 3. This simply means that we need to multiply this 2 times 2 times 2 3 times like this. Okay, so we cannot add here, so we need to follow the body mass or the order of operation. So it would say 1 plus 1, then times it. So 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times 2, which is 8. So times 8 here. So as you can see, we have a plus here and times here. So you start with multiplication. That's the order of body mass or order of operation. So you cannot start by saying 1 plus 1, which is 2, then 2 times 8, which is 16. The answer will be wrong. So first you multiply 1 times 8. So this one maintain it, then plus it. So you say 1 times 8, which is 8 here like this. Then now you add 8 plus 1, which is 9. So as you can see, if you start by adding this plus this to give you 2, then 2 times 8 gives you 16, which means the answer will be wrong. So be very, very careful when dealing with the order of operation of body mass. Then I'll go to question number 2. Question 2 is saying, solve the equation. So we have open bracket, 1 over 2 close bracket to the power x equal to 4 to the power 2, negative 2, times 2 here. So this one, let me first write it here. So 1 over 2, like this. Then to the power x is equal to 4 to the power negative 2, then times 2. So this 2 is same as to the power 1 here. So there's 1 on top there, same as 2 to the power. In fact, any number is same as to the power 1, which is same as the same number. Okay. So now here, what I'll do, this one, I need to change this expression. So I need to know that x to the power 1 is same as 1 over x. So if you have 1 here, which means this one is same as x to the power negative 2 to the power x, like this. Or before this, I can do this. I can say 2 to the power negative 1, like this. Like this, then to power x here. I'll do that. This 1 over 2 same as 2 to the power negative 1, then to the power x here equal to. Then this 4 again, since I'm seeing 2 here, so I need to make the bases same. So I'll say 2 to the power 2 again, which is same as this 4, then to the power negative 2, then times 2 to the power 1. Then now I multiply the powers. So I'll say negative 1 times x. So the answer will be 2 to the power negative x equal to, again, 2 times negative 2. So it will be 2 to the power negative 4, then times 2 to the power 1. Okay, since I have same bases here, as you can see, 2, 2, 2. And here there's a multiplication. So if you're multiplying the numbers with the same base, you add the powers, which means I'm going to add the powers there. So it will be 2 to the power negative x, which is equal to, I'll say 2 to the power negative 4 plus 1. So I'll add the powers there. I'll just pick 1, 2 here, then I add the powers. So it will be, a 2 to the power negative x per se. So 2 to the power negative x is equal to, so negative 4 plus 1, the answer is 2 to the power negative 3. Okay, like this. Then from here now, what I'll do, I'll cancel this and this. So I'll say negative x is equal to negative 3. Since I'm looking for x, so I'll say over negative 1, there's 1 here, over negative 1. So you cancel this. So x is equal to negative cancel, so x is equal to 3. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, so I'll go to the next question, which is question number 3. So they want me to factorize completely. So this one, x to the power 4, it has got a square root, which is x to the power 2, because x to the power 2 times x to the power 2, the answer is x to the power 4. And again, you can multiply this one 4 times to give us 1 as well. So, which means this one will be x to the power 2, which is the square root for this one. I'm going to use what we call the difference of 2 square. Then minus 1 here. I'll do like this. Then here I'm going to do the same. Then I'll put plus 1. So I'll factorize using the difference of 2 square. Again, when we try to check here, x squared has got a square root and 1 has got a square root. But this one, we cannot factorize it further. Why? Because there's a plus here. So we cannot use difference of 2 square. So difference means minus, unless if you had a negative here, which means we can factorize it further using the difference of 2 square. So this one will proceed. You say x minus 1, again like this, x plus 1. Then we maintain the same, the last part, which is x squared plus 1. So this will be our final answer for this question. Hope it's very much clear. Now go to question number 4. We're saying solve the equation. So I have y to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 3. So for me to find y, so it means I need to get rid of this part. So since this 1 over 2, so I multiply this by the reciprocal of 1 over 2. So the reciprocal of 1 over 2, a reciprocal of 1 over 2 is same as 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Just interchange the numerator, becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. So I'll say y to the power 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So the reciprocal is 2 over 1 is equal to. So which means even here, I'll say y, I'll say 3 to the power 2 over 1, which is same as 2. Yeah, because here I've multiplied by 2 over 1. So even here, this 2 over 1, I also need to put this side. So this and this will cancel. So I mean with y is equal to, so 3 to the power 2. So I'll say 3 to the power 2, which is equal to y is equal to, so 3 to the power 2, which is 9, because 3 times 3 is 9, So this is the final answer. So be careful on this part. Since I'm looking for y, so I need to multiply 1 over 2 by its reciprocal, which is what? 2. So when you multiply a number times the reciprocal, the answer you get is 1. So y to the power 1 is the same as y. So whatever we've done here, even on the right hand side, do the same. So you need to put 2 over 1 as well. So 2 over 1 is same as 2. So which means 3 to the power 2, which is 9. Then I'll go to the last question. For the sequence 11, 13, 15, find the formula for the nth term. So this is AP, and the formula for the nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 common difference. So A, the first term, so the first term here is 11, and n, the number of term, D, the common difference. So how to find the common difference? So common difference is given by T2 minus T1. T2 means the first term, the second term minus the first term. So term 1, term 2, term 3. So you subtract 13 minus 11. So what do you get here? You get here 2. So this is 2. So our common difference is 2. So it means while there's D, we put 2. Then we continue solving. You say the nth term is equal to, our A is 11 plus number of term we don't know, minus 1. Common difference, the common difference is 2, this 2 here. So now I simplify. So 11 plus, I do this, n times 2 is 2n, okay, minus 2 times 1, it is 2 like this. So 11, so multiply now, positive times positive here to be positive 2n, then positive times negative to be negative 2. like this. Okay. Then from here now, I'll put like term together. So I'll start with 11 minus 2, this 2, then plus 2, and like this. So now what I'll do here, so 11 minus 2, the answer is 9, then plus 2n. So this will be the formula for the nth term. You end here. Okay. Thank you very much. So for tuitions in mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, RE, civic education, English, you can contact me on 097 262 32 22. Even A levels lessons are also available. So make sure you can contact me through WhatsApp or Facebook, even direct call. There's no problem. I'm able to respond. Thank you very much.